Yes, people, welcome to Loaded Cannon, AlbertJTV fan cam. Arsenal 1, Sporting Lisbon 1. Arsenal are out of Europe. We lose on penalties to Sporting Lisbon. Boy, where do I start, man? This is a tough one to take, man. So I'm not going to do this one for long. Listen, people hear me speak about Arsenal's European record, and I'm lucky enough to have been alive last time Arsenal won one back in 1994. Our European record is wretched, man. We lost a lot of finals. So when we get back into European competition, I want us to go and win it. Standards of the football club, being a big club, you want to win the biggest trophies or the trophies that are available to win. And we're out tonight. When I look at it over both legs, by and large, Sporting Lisbon were the better side. When you play these top European sides, or you play European football, particularly in knockout stages, you have to keep the ball better than what we did over two legs. Yes, the first leg, 6 changes. Yes, the second leg, 5 changes, sorry. But Arsenal's passing, for me, was awful in the first and second leg. Tonight, we go with 5 changes. I thought it was a strong team. Many Arsenal fans wanted Aaron Ramsdale starting. He did. Gives the defence a bit more stability. Gabriel Jesus starts, which is a surprise to me. But listen, if he's ready, he's ready. He'll get some more minutes back into his legs. I thought there was enough there. And that's no disrespect to Sporting Lisbon, but let's be honest, they were the better team for the first 15, 20 minutes. They controlled possession. Their counter-press is fantastic throughout the course of the match. They lost the ball, got it back instantly. Arsenal's passages of play in terms of ball retention was dreadful. The amount of times they needlessly gave the ball away. And the problem is when you do that, and yes, they pressed well when they counter-pressed Sporting Lisbon, but you put pressure back onto yourselves as the home team or as a team that doesn't retain the ball well. We was poor. And actually, I think we got the goal against the run of play. And actually, from that, we actually controlled the ball a little bit better. And we controlled possession a bit better. And they struggled to get on top of us and to stop our runners because we controlled it pretty well. Our movement was very, very good once we got the goal. But we come into the second half, and to be honest, it was like the first 15 minutes of the first leg, and it happened today in the second leg. In the second half, they controlled it better. They looked more dangerous. They looked like they was going to score. They got through our midfield area very, very easily. Our ball retention centrally was poor, especially. And they get a wonder goal to make it 1-1. Fantastic goal by Pedro. Wow. And I only think we showed a bit more play when we got to extra time. Even when we brought on Saka and Partey, we still couldn't gain control. When Erdegaard came on, we was a little bit better. And even they almost gift-wrapped a chance to us, Sporting Lisbon, with Trossard's chance. But by and large, when it goes to penalties, it is a lottery. And it could go either way, and unfortunately, feel for Martinelli big time. He will bounce back. He will bounce back. But tonight is a sore one to take, man. And we got to bounce back very, very quickly because we're playing a very poor Palace side. But we're going to have some tired legs in there. Extra time doesn't help. It's all right if you win the game. We went to extra time, penalties, and you lose. Tough one to take, a bitter pill to swallow. But we move, Arsenal fans, we move. I thought Gabriel was solid tonight, if I'm being honest. I thought Erdegaard coming and made a difference, but I thought, generally speaking, I thought a lot of Arsenal players, for me, over the 2 legs, I thought they let Mikel Arteta down, to be honest. Tough one to take, like I said. Drop your comments down below. That is AlbertJTV over and out for the Loaded Cannon fan cam. See you Sunday, people.